Yeah. This is a ASA bed.
What's Fred's doing over there? See, that ball was flat, but it was deep.
Different when you lay off for a while, anyway.
I'm going to show you at Dudley. This Blake's bat. He just cracked it. It's got a crack over here. You have crack on both sides, Billy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was hitting it on one side, and then it hit. There's a crack on it right there. But guys, he has got over 3,900. If you want to know exact amount, I could tell you after this video. But when he first started hitting today, he had 3,950. He had 3,950 swings on it. So close to 4,000 swings on a 28-ounce Dudley 12-inch barrel bat that Billy Blake swung, and he just now cracked it. Now, one thing you got to understand, when these bats go, they go. You can't turn it around. Like if you crack one side of it, you can't turn it around and try to get some life out of the other side, because it dies. Right after you get that first crack on it, it just dies. But 3,900 plus swings on it, guys, not bad at all. This cracked it today. Billy did.